What is up, everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to every lovely viewers who's watching this video right now. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your PNC Mortgage account. Now, by PNC Mortgage, I mean it's a company which provides you mortgage, which means loan. All right. With that said, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Guide, for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's get on with today's video now, shall we? First step, search for PNC Mortgage login. And you want to click on the second link over here, which will take you to the official website of PNC. Now, once you're in this website, what you want to do is click on where it says sign on. And after you do that, enter the username of your account and then enter the password of your account over here as well, like this. And then click on login. And you should be able to log in into your PNC Mortgage account. So it's that simple. Now remember, you're going to log in into its online banking account. But once you log in over there, there's going to be a mortgage section where you guys can apply to get mortgage. That's how this thing works, all right? So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, everybody.